folks, welcome to another segment of Donna's Key Home Improvement Tips. Today we're going to talk about, should you appeal your taxes? This is a perfect time of the year that you need to really consider this because you only have until August 1st to do so. So I'm going to run you through an example of what I'm working with right now for one of my clients. Some of the data that you need to know is you need to know the common level ratio. I'm just working with Berks, Chester, and Montgomery as examples right now. This is the common level ratio. What the common level ratio is what you're assessed at, which is what you need to know, is what your property is assessed at, because that's what your taxes are based off of. They did the appeal back in 1992, 1994. That's what your assessment number shows, what that house was valued at back at that time. But in order to get up with current value, they want you to multiply it times this common level ratio. The other thing you need to know is what your millage is per your borough or your township. So for this particular example, I'm going to be working with North Coventry. So in North Coventry, which is Chester County, which has a millage of 2.03 as a common level ratio, and your Chester County millage is North Coventry is $39.1740 per thousand that you're assessed. This is just a North Coventry scenario you've got to know. So some of the information you need to know, what your common level ratio is and what your millage is for your borough or your township. So let's run through an example quickly. One of my clients right now, I did a market value. They're assessed, my opinion of value is between 425 to 450. They're assessed at $258,310. Now, if I take that number times the common level ratio for Chester County, this is what they're being taxed on, which is grossly higher than what they're valued at. So what I'm telling them is they should appeal their taxes because presently their taxes are $10,119. The estimated, if they appeal, they could bring it down possibly and to an estimate $8,618. That's a difference of a savings of, it's actually $1,500. So that $1,500 comes down to a savings of $125 a month. That's huge when you're looking to sell your house. And quite honestly, in today's times, we all need to put more money in our pocket. So I'm running through a quick example of what you can do. I've had other scenarios that I've had clients that they were $16,000 in taxes. We got it down to $12,000 in taxes, over $3,200 in taxes I saved in a year. That's $270 a month. Fact. Another fact, I have another one that I appealed that their taxes were $7,544. I appealed them to $5,200. They saved $2,280 a month, a year, which brings down to $190 a month. Fact. Folks, you can appeal. Take advantage of it. You only have one more month to do so. It only comes around once a year. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Join me at my website or give me a call or email me. Have a good one. I hope this helps.